What is going on here, Maddie? There's no reason you have all these warmers.
Hey, Sheena, I just wanted to show you our complete lineup of our warmers. Everything that they are was really thought out to make sure that professionals have everything they need. First of all made of stainless steel. And they're protected with a coating that actually keeps things from sticking on it, so they're really easy to clean up.
I love that. I also like how rose goldy they all are.
Right? One of my favorite things is there's nothing like this on the market anywhere. They are absolutely beautiful, beautiful little touches and designs on all of them. But there's some amazing safety features.
What kind of safety features?
Okay, so one is everything is backed with copper, and that protects them from burning out or having some issues when it comes to high heat. We also have a special warmer element that is really thick, so it allows big boys like this that hold 14 pounds of wax to be able to heat up faster, more efficient, and keep the consistency in your warmer much better.
I love that. I feel like there's a lot of thought that went into it.
They did. That's one thing I appreciate about Honeycomb. Into every single one of the details to how the actual warmers work, the safety features, they really went out of their way to make sure us as professionals that we actually have the warmer that we need for our job.
I'm thinking I should toss mine and get a new one. What do you think?
I think you should, because I'm telling you, these guys, they're bad boys and they do the job well.
Then I will.
All right.
Thanks.
You're welcome.